Alright, today we're taking a look at a nice little Zippo that my supplier tossed over to me. Now this one came in the regular Zippo black box, and the label on it says Grenade. It was made in Bradford, PA. It's a genuine Zippo. So here is the Grenade Zippo. It's on a black ice high polished finish. Nothing special about the insert, but it's got that nice high polish finish. Definitely attracts fingerprints. High polish on both sides. Now this was made in April of 17. Made in Bradford, PA. Nice stampings on this. It's got a steel insert. Real good sound. Fires up nice. Let's do a drop test on this Grenade. So the Grenade passes the test partially. We can try that again. So that is the Grenade Zippo on a high polish finish. Black ice high polish. It's a real nice one. Look good in my collection. And it could use a little cowbell right about now. Knuckle bump.